Video number 2, Vertical Video Income Stream Introduction. What is vertical video? Vertical video is taller than it is wide. Instead of being presented in a widescreen format or landscape orientation, it is in the portrait format. The way video has traditionally been intended by cinema and television, vertical video is rotated 90 degrees. What is horizontal video? It is designed to look like a TV screen. When online video first came out, it only makes sense that this was the chosen format, resembling the form of video we were most used to consuming. Aspect ratio 1:9:1. Vertical video versus horizontal video. Vertical videos, better situated for social media features. Aspect ratio 9:16. Ideal for short videos, attracts young generation. It is distraction-free. Horizontal videos, TV-style broadcasting style. Aspect ratio 16:9. Ideal for long videos. Adults find it more easy. It is not distraction-free. Vertical videos are becoming more popular online and have achieved some impressive results so far. Driven by increased mobile usage in tandem with the massive popularity of social media, vertical videos offer a way to appeal to this mobile and social audience. Until now, most web video has been horizontal, film displayed and viewed in landscape mode. This has been the preferred way to view videos on a desktop as it makes the best use of the screen space, but mobile is changing this. Vertical video is about making video more effective by tailoring it to the user's preferences. People like to view videos on mobile, so why not make it easier for them? This is behind the growth of vertical video. People are essentially lazy and want to view videos without making any extra effort. Holding a smartphone vertically is the natural way. People hold it this way 98% of the time, so people like to view videos in the same way, without moving their phone sideways. It's always the most natural way to shoot video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.